How to create a channel? Creating a channel is very easy. Bored with DMs or tired of DMing everyone each time? Gather them together in one. Making a channel will help. Firstly, open your Stack app or web page. There you'll see the option of channel at the home. Simply tap on add. Over there, you can see search for channels or simply tap the plus icon at the bottom here, and here you can see create a channel. So enter your name. Are you targeting the marketing team? Are you creating a marketing team, HR team, and the CEOs or the board members, or only the staffs? You can always name accordingly. I'll be naming marketing. So, like this, you can always name it. Then simply tap on next. You cannot have uppercase in channel's name. Then simply tap on next. There you can see you want to make it public or private. Simply tap on create, as we will be focusing on everyone for marketing, whoever are interested in marketing and to know about marketing. So simply tap on create.